Yes, good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of chapter number 12, exponent and power. In the last class, we have discussed the first three properties, first three laws of exponent of this chapter. Now let's continue with the revision. Now we are going to start with the question in which three laws will implemented together. Now you will solve the bracket here. The terms are dividing. As the terms are dividing and base is same, power will be subtracted. And remaining things you will write same. You will move step by step. Once you will solve the bracket, then after that you will solve the term that is given outside. Minus 3. 5 minus 8 is minus 3 whole raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power minus 5. 3 5s are 15. This is your a raised to power m whole raised to power n a raised to power mn. And in this, you have used the law of subtraction. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Now the terms are multiplying here. Base is same, so power will be added. A raised to power m into a raised to power n, a raised to power m plus n. So 2 raised to power minus 15 plus minus 5, that will be 2 raised to power minus 15 plus minus plus sign will be of minus. Now what you will do, as you can see that power is negative, so you will make the reciprocal of the base to change the power to positive. So this is the answer, or you can write it like this. Both are correct. Okay, read it out once. If you have any doubt, I can explain again. Yes, Lavish. Yes, everyone, solve this question at your own and write the related properties that you are using. Hurry up. Do it. Solve it and tell me the method how you are going to solve this.
Ma'am, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a m minus n. 3 raised to power minus 7 minus bracket minus 10 into 3 raised to power minus 5.
Okay. Then?
Ma'am, 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 5.
3 raised
minus
to power minus 7 minus plus
3
minus
cube.
minus. Yes.
Yes. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a m plus n.
Yes.
3 raised to power 3 plus bracket minus 5. 3 raised to power minus 2.
Step
1 by 3 raised.
right in steps. -2, that is
1 by 3 raised to power 2 or 1 by 9.
1 by 3 raised to power 2, that is 1 by 9. Okay. Now start next question. Start next question. Do it, hurry up. Yes, Shabad.
मैम रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, माइनस पावर है
बोलो
मैम।
क्या?
2 रेज टू पावर 2 हो जाएगा, 3 प्लस 3 रेज टू पावर 2 प्लस 4 रेज टू पावर 2, 4 प्लस 9
2 square is
प्लस
3 square is 9.
16 प्लस 16
Yes,
29।
29. बच्चे ऐसे नहीं करना कि सबको कंबाइन करके टोटल पावर -2 कर दे. यू कांट डू इट. ठीक है, यू हैव टू सॉल्व द पावर सेपरेटली, देन यू विल ऐड. Here, no need to solve this. Why? Because anything raised to power 0 is always 1. You can solve it. You can write it 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, and you can take LCM. But why to waste time? Anything raised to power whole 0 is 1. So answer is directly 1. No need to solve. Okay. So let's start with the next question. Yes, can you tell me which is the next property? Which is the next property? Next property देखो, if the base are different but the power is same, then you will combine the base and you will write the power once. Okay. If the base are different but the power is same, then you will multiply the base and power which is written 2 times, same number, you will write it once like this. 2 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 3. So answer बन जाएगा 2 into 5 whole raised to power 3. That is 10 raised to power 3. That is 1000. Okay. Now we are going to start with similar type of questions. You please all solve this. Solve this. Solve this, beta. Hurry up, I am waiting. Yes, तो रन्या.
Ma'am, a raised to power m whole square n is equals to a raised to power mn. So minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 power minus 6. And then we'll do the reciprocal 3 by minus 2 raised to power 6.
Okay. Yes, listen, a raised to power m whole raised to power n power will be multiplied. So I have written in multiplication form, that is -6. Power is negative, so you will make the reciprocal of the base. Power will be positive. So this is the answer. And if the question is simplify, you will multiply it 6 times. Start next. Sixth question. Anjani. Anjani. Yes, Anjani.
Ma'am, -15 raised to power 4.
Okay. So here base are different, but the power is same. So you will combine the base and write the power once. So that will be -3 into 5 whole raised to power 4. -15 raised to power 4. Can we remove this minus, Anjani? Can we remove? No, we can't remove it because if the power is negative, you can remove it by making reciprocal of the base. But here the base is negative, so you can't make the reciprocal. This will be your answer. Yes, Lavish.
मैम आंसर देने के लिए किया मैम ये 7th क्वेश्चन का 100 रेस्ट टू पावर -3.
And I don't want the answer. Tell me in steps.
मैम ये तो मैम सीधे ही इंटू हो गया.
बोलो ना सीधा क्या किया.
मैम हमने मैम वेट अ सेकंड.
Yes.
मैम सबसे पहले मैम हमने फॉर्मूला लगाया. कौन सा फॉर्मूला था मैंने लिखा नहीं. मैम फॉर्मूला नहीं लिखा मैंने. लर्न कर लिया.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning.
मैम इसमें हमने वो वाला लॉ लगाना है जिसमें कि पावर व्हेन द पावर्स आर सेम देन द बेसेस आर मल्टीप्लाइड.
Bases are different.
यस मैम, दे आर मल्टीप्लाइड.
बोलो क्या आएगा.
पावर इज कॉमन. मैम इट इज -4 into 5 into -5 whole raised to power -3.
Yes. Minus
Ma'am,
9
then
plus.
ma'am, then we will multiply and this will be 100 raised to power -3.
Yes.
Ma'am, then we will 1 by 100 raised to power 3.
Yes. If the question is of simplification, you will multiply it 3 times. Otherwise, you will leave it as it is. Okay. Do it. Do these questions. Yes. Diya, Gurdit, Arshpreet.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, the property which is applying is a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equal to a into b whole raised to power m. Ma'am, 2 raised to power minus 3. Ma'am, 1 by 8
How
2
you will
raised to power
solve
minus.
this? Yes.
Ma'am, 2 raised to power minus 3 into 3 raised to power minus 3.
पहले एक्सप्लेन तो करो, 2 रेज टू पावर -3 आया कहाँ से है?
Ma'am, 1 by 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8.
Yes, you have written 8 as 2 raised to power 3. अब आप एक काम कर सकते हो, आप इसको यहीं पे रहने दो. बेटर राइट 1 by 8 सेम, इसको लिख लो 1 by 3 raised to power 3. ठीक है, इसको लिख दो 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3 raised to power 3. Base are different but the power is same, so you will apply the fourth law, will become 1 by 6 raised to power 3. This is the answer. 1 by 8 we have written as 1 by 2 raised to power 3. This is negative, so we have brought it in the denominator because 8 is already in the denominator. If you want to take this term to the numerator, you can, but it will become negative. That will be a little bit complicated. So bring it here in the denominator, then you can leave it in the denominator, because always when to remove your negative power, you will bring the term to denominator. So better to bring in the beginning. So base are different, but the power is same. Multiply this, it will become 1 by 6 raised to power 3. So it is the easy way. Now solve this. Base are different, but the power is same. Apply the same law again. Hurry up. Solve this. Solve this, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Ninth question. The property used here is a raised to power m into b raised to power m. That will be equal to ab raised to power m. So as powers are same, so we will write -3 into 5 by 3 raised to power 4. That will be equal to -15 by 3, and when we will divide, so it will be equal to -5 raised to power 4.
If the question is of simplification, then Sanvi, what will be the answer? If the question is of simplification, then what will be the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
लविश, अगर क्वेश्चन सिंप्लीफाई का हो तो क्या आंसर आएगा?
मैम इसी क्वेश्चन का तो मैम ये तो मैम -625 आता है, माइनस कह रहा हूँ, प्लस मैम -625.
माइनस नहीं प्लस.
यस मैम, यस, +625 आंसर आता पूरा.
और अगर क्वेश्चन होता राइट इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म तो यही आंसर आता. अगर कुछ नहीं
तो
लिखा
यही
तो
आएगा.
ऐसे सिंप्लीफाई लिखा है तो
Yes,
625. ओके, म्यूट
Okay.
योरसेल्फ. यस,
Okay.
solve this. Find the value of 2 by 3 whole raised to power -2. Ishan, Diya, Arshpreet, Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Diya.
Ma'am, 2 raised to power -2 over 3 raised to power -2.
equals to 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2.
आप डायरेक्टली रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. 10th क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्टली मेक द रेसिप्रोकल. पावर विल बी पॉजिटिव.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, पावर नेगेटिव है ना, रेसिप्रोकल कर दो बेस का, इट विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू?
3 raised to power 2 raised to power over 2 raised to power 2.
यस, आप इसको 2 बार भी लिख सकते हो, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. देन आंसर विल
Ma'am,
बी
9 over 4.
okay. Answer will be 9 over 4. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, solve this. Hurry up. Solve this. Then we are going to discuss this part. Arshpreet, Ananya, Jia, Janvi, Ishan, Navya. Yes, Arshpreet. Yes, Navya. Madhav, Jasmine, Janvi, Gautam. Nobody want to give answer? Yes.
Ma'am, first of all, we will do the reciprocal of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, which is 3 square and 2 cube.
Minus.
2 cube.
Okay. Then
Then 3 square is 9 and 2 cube is 8. So we will subtract it, which is 1. And then we will do the reciprocal of 1 by 4, which is 4 square. And then we will divide it. 4 square is 16. Then we will divide it, and which is 1 by 16.
and if the question is right in exponential form, then what you will do?
Ma'am, then 1 by 16 raised to power 1.
You will make the factors of this. You will write it 1 by 2 raised to power 4 or 1 by 4 square.
Okay, ma'am.
You will write it in this form. Got it? Don't write 16 raised to power 1. Actually, we want always we are going to try it in the form of prime numbers. So better to write in 1 by 2 raised to power 4. ये भी लिख सकते हैं, पर ये लिखना बेटर है ज्यादा. ठीक है, जितना स्प्लिट हो सके उस फॉर्म में लिखना है आपने. Do it. Do it, hurry up. So today, what's your homework? We have done 12 questions in revision. You are going to do these 12 questions in the rough notebook again. So that's your homework. Means same classwork you will revise in the homework. In the rough notebook, you will do all these sums again. Note down the questions on your rough notebook and start solving them. Then you can check your answer from the book. Okay, all the questions are from the book only. This is 7. Okay, do it. Hurry up, I'm waiting. Let's see who will give the answer.
रेसिप्रोकल 8/5 मैम क्योंकि पावर माइनस है
Raised to power
माइनस रेज टू पावर 4 मैम 7
7. Then
into 8/5 power -5
yes.
मैम bases are same then power get plus add
What should I write?
8/5 common लेके
Power
7 plus -5
yes.
is equal to 8/5 raised to power 2
7 minus 5, 8/5 raised to power 2. Then
to power 2
then
64/25
if the question is solve it and write in exponential form, then this will be the answer. And if the question is simplified, then you will write the answer completely. 64/25. 64/25. Yes, everyone. What we have discussed on page number 200 is given. So you all please read it out. Only 2 points are there. Hurry up, read it out. Page number 200, what we have discussed. Read it.